This is CodeCell, a tiny ESP32 board with built-in battery charging, Arduino support, and over 10 sensory functions. We just upgraded it to the CodeCell C6 with twice the memory, lowered the sleep current, and Zigbee support for Home Assistant nodes. It's been more than a year since we released the original CodeCell, and during this time we've been learning a lot, testing it for potential products in different applications, while at the same time listening to your feedback. And after months of refinement, this new board is the result. At first glance, it looks almost identical to the original CodeCell. But if you look a little closer, you'll notice that we managed to squeeze the circuitry even tighter to significantly improve low power performance. The sleep current was the biggest limitation of the original CodeCell, but we decided to upgrade the CodeCell with the ESP32 C6, which also allowed us to add multiple sensor interrupt wake-ups, together with much more efficient sleep management. This means that in some cases the battery can last months instead of days. The C6 also comes with 8 MB of flash memory, all at the same price. This is especially useful when using a bootloader, working with larger libraries, or connecting external sensors that require more memory. The C6 has 6 GPIO pins like the C3, which can all be used as PWMs. 3 of these pins can also be used as ADCs, and also has I2C pins available on the bottom side. On the wireless side, it supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and Zigbee. This makes it incredibly useful to build tiny sensor nodes, because it can integrate directly with platforms like Home Assistant. We have a full tutorial on how to do this, with 4 code examples you can flash onto your CodeCell and pair to Home Assistant. All you have to do is just map those endpoints to automations. You can also connect CodeCell to our free microlink app, which lets you control the motor cell, drive cell, and coil cell right out of the box. This app makes it easier to add buttons, sliders, and joysticks to your project, all managed from an Arduino library. In the CodeCell box, you will also find a cable, pin headers, screws, and you can also buy it with an optional LiPo battery. You just need to connect it over USB, then select the COM port and settings for your board. There are multiple examples you can explore, and with each example you can also find tutorials about it on our website. If you want to check it out and be part of the community building with it, you'll find everything at microbots.io/CodeCell.